All right, quick rundown of today's play on the SPY. I was watching VIX as it continued to drop all day. I was watching the volume start to come into the tech sector after having a very weak morning, and the buying volume start to come into the market altogether. So I was waiting for the VIX to start to fall. It broke this red candle on the downside. I saw a green candle with buying volume start to form on the NASDAQ and tech. So I elected to take a call right here. Let's press play. See how this thing shakes out. Play. All right, that candle immediately climbed right there, went sideways for a second, and then went on forth and conquered. There's the green candle that really put us up in the profits right there. And it continues on to climb. It consolidates for a touch and then continues on to climb even more. I was watching the volume. As you see down here, the VIX continued to fall down. The buying volume continued to climb. The NASDAQ continued to climb. I elected to close this position right about here for a 20.2% gain. Good stuff. Come on and join the best educational server out there, the Options Millionaire server. We have daily play calls plus a great commentary community that focuses on education and learning. All right, y'all, let's keep this win streak low going on tomorrow. See ya.